Hello everyone, my name is Benji Lotuaco, your Mr. Nueva Ecija 2026 grand winner.
Yeah, and congratulations for winning. I haven't had the opportunity to interview you right after you crowned as Mr. Nueva Ecija 2026. So I'm very proud of you. And the last time we talked, and I asked you about if you were gonna joining about the pageants, and you said that you're not yet ready. And now you're ready for the international.
Yes.
Aside from winning the local pageants, you are now representing the Philippines at the Manhat Star International 2026. So how does it feel that after winning Mr. Nueva Ecija, you had the opportunity for the international stage arena?
Ayun, actually unexpected kasi alam ko national pageant lang ang sasalihan namin. Pero Sir Miko Dig, binigyan niya ako ng opportunity na lumaban international. So ito siguro yung way natin para may represent din yung Philippines with pride and especially sa province namin. So I'm happy na from Mr. Nueva Ecija, jump to international tayo. So it's a great opportunity sa akin and especially opportunity to represent our country.
And I guess that was your first time to join the pageant, if I'm not mistaken.
Actually, hindi siya first time. May mga pageant ako sinalihan, school pageant, pero gaya nga ng sabi ko, hindi pa ako decided talaga before na sumali ng national. Pero ito, binigyan tayo agad ng international. So, I'm happy na mabigyan tayo ng opportunity ni Sir Miko D. And bibigyan natin yung best natin para masukit yung corona, syempre.
Well, prior of joining Mr. Nueva Ecija, ano yung pinagkakaabalahan mo nun?
Sa ngayon, part-time ko talaga is isa akong licensed financial advisor. At the same time, back to gym tayo kasi sobrang laki ng pinayat natin, sobrang na-drain, napagod. Pero hopefully makabalik tayo and mas maganda yung condition natin para pagsampa natin ng international, mas better, mas magandang performance pa yung mas maibigay natin. Ayun.
Ano yung unang ginawa mo right after the coronation night ng Mr. Nueva Ecija?
Ang unang ginawa ko talaga, syempre nagpahinga at nagpasalamat sa Panginoon kasi binigyan niya ako ng ganitong talento na kung saan mas marami pa ako ma-inspire na tao. At ayun nga, binigyan pa tayo ng pagkakataon para ma-represent yung bansa natin. So, I'm proud din, especially sa Mr. Nueva Ecija, kay Sir Don, Mami Loy, kay Miss Corinne, kay Papa P, and kay Sir Miko D kasi binigyan po tayo ng opportunity. So, ayun, I'm happy for that po. And I'll give my best.
Alright. What was your favorite segment during the coronation night?
Syempre yung swimmer. So, yun talaga yung strength natin yung swimmer. So, na-execute naman natin siya ng maayos. Binigyan ko siya ng magandang twist, sumayaw-sayaw tayo doon. So, ayun, maganda naman na naging performance overall.
You were trending on my post during the Q&A. Anong masasabi mo doon sa mga bashers mo?
Masasabi ko lang siguro is, ayun, hindi ko naman sila pinapansin eh. Kumbaga, good vibes lang. Kung ano yung nakikita nila sa atin, gawin nating opportunity, gawin nating motivation. So, gano'n lang ginawa ko. Ginawa ko siya motivation para malaman ko din sa sarili ko kung ano nga ba yung kahinaan ko. And yung kahinaan na yun, yun yung ginawa natin ng paraan para mas magkaroon tayo ng maganda performance and gumana naman siya and maganda yung resulta.
And now you're competing sa international stage na. Ano yung unang-unang mong preparation na gagawin mo?
Especially yung pasarela and then Q&A, syempre di pa natin pababayaan yan. Communication skills para complete package talaga pag pumunta tayo ng international.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Benj. And it's nice to see you.
Thank you so much
Of course,
po.
wearing that sash, the Manhat Star International
Yes.
Philippines, and as well as Mr. Nueva Ecija. Do you have anything to say about your fans and supporters and as well as the persons behind your journey?
Especially nagpapasalamat ako sa mga pageant media, sa inyo po. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi kami makikilala, kami mga candidates. And masaya din ako kasi mas maraming engagement ngayon ang nabibigay ng mga pageant media na katulad nyo. And sa organization ng Mr. Nueva Ecija, yun nga, gaya na sabi ko, Sir Don, Miss Corinne, Mami Loy, Papa P, and sa lahat-lahat po ng bumubuo. And kay Sir Miko D for giving me a chance to represent our country sa ibang bansa po. So ayun, I'm so happy.
Alright, once again, this is Mr. Nueva Ecija 2026 and Manhat Star International Philippines. Benji.
Thank you so much po.
Congratulations once again on behalf of Pageant Trend.